TCU all they can handle, guys. Pulling out all the stops against the number 3 team in the country. TCU allowed 10 points or less in 6 straight games. Looks like they put the big guys on the board already. And North Carolina answering the field goal from Virginia Tech is once again Anthony Elzy doing his best Johnny White impersonation in the top of the hour across midfield. Now back out live in action. And nobody picks him up. The linebacker gets bumped off. And Elzy's wide open.
Get Tasha.
And that'll take us to the end of the first quarter. Anthony Elzy, the senior from Warren, Ohio, getting the start in the big first quarter. One game after one. Good season, Joe.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
Anthony Elzy with 81 yards already. That's the team that's 30 yards, John. Don't underestimate just how big this game is in the ACC. Virginia Tech, the last unbeaten team. Virginia Tech is on a roll. UNC bouncing back somehow from the suspensions they dealt with all year long. They're led by quarterback TJ Yates, who says he's been